Hello and welcome to Mr. English Podcast. This is Adam, and I'm really happy you're here. Today, we're doing your English shadowing practice challenge. Listen, repeat, and speak out loud with me. Slowly, clearly, and confidently. Let's start simple. I am learning English. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I understand more every day. I feel proud of my progress. I enjoy learning English. Great. Let's keep going. I speak slowly and clearly. I try every day. I believe in myself. I trust my journey, even if it's slow. Now, slightly longer sentences. My effort today builds my fluency for tomorrow. I'm not giving up. I'm growing. I speak English to express, not to be perfect. I'm building my confidence one word at a time. I'm getting better with every practice. Almost there, the last few sentences. Every day, I'm becoming more confident in English. Speaking English clearly is something I can do. I'm proud of my progress, even if it's small. I learn something new every time I try. This is just the beginning of my English success. You did it. That's your shadowing practice in just a few minutes. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about showing up and speaking out loud. Keep practicing with me. You're already improving every day. See you tomorrow for day 2 of your shadowing challenge, only on Mr. English Podcast.